Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Most of the time, we need a side dish to pair with the main course. It can be a salad, vegetable, pasta, rice, bread, and so on. When it comes to rice, I've already shared a few recipes with you, like my herb and butter, Mexican, Indian basmati, and many more. Now, here's another delicious one to add to your list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my saffron rice stuffing. This recipe is packed with flavor. It's a great dish to serve with your turkey dinner, a side for fish, lamb, beef, etc. I like to serve it with my crown roast of pork. Yum! So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll start by toasting the almonds. So we'll place them in a medium skillet and set the heat on medium. We'll toss them often until golden. Keep an eye on them. And about 5 minutes later, they should look like this. So we'll remove from the heat, transfer the toasted almonds to a bowl to cool off, and set aside for now. Back to the stove. In a large saucepan over medium heat, we'll add butter and oil, about 1.5 tablespoons. When it starts sizzling, we'll add onions and celery. We'll saute the ingredients until they soften, about 2.5 to 3 minutes. To this, we'll add red peppers, orange peppers, and green peppers, or poblano peppers, whichever you prefer. I use poblano. We'll stir and cook for 2.5 to 3 minutes as well. A few minutes later, we'll add mushrooms and combine them into the veggie mixture before seasoning with ground sea salt and, of course, freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir once again and let it cook for 4 minutes. Next, we'll add our long grain rice, blend it well with the mixture, and then pour in the low sodium chicken broth as well as dry white wine. We'll also add saffron threads that we crumbled, diced apples, then golden raisins, and also dried cranberries. We'll combine all the ingredients together, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll cover, reduce to low, and cook for 25 minutes or until the liquid is all absorbed. So when time is up, we'll remove from the heat and let it sit for 5 minutes before transferring the rice to a large serving bowl. And look how pretty it is! Then we'll add our toasted slivered almonds and fresh chopped parsley. Obviously, we'll combine the ingredients into the rice mixture and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our saffron rice stuffing. Colorful and absolutely delicious, each bite of this side dish is a burst of flavor. Very elegant, it can be paired with leg of lamb, your holiday turkey, goose, duck, fish, beef, and of course, crown roast of pork, which my recipe is coming up in a couple days. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!